So as you can see, we've got our little premature baby here. The device just gets very loosely fixated to the hands and the feet.
Scientists have discovered that by stimulating a premature baby's hands and feet, it sends a message to the brain that baby is moving. That in turn tells the lungs they need to breathe.
If we start running, the pace increases. That rhythm tells your breathing response to basically upregulate or downregulate. And what this device is trying to do is just to stimulate that. So we're tapping into this really primal response that tells you to breathe faster or breathe slower.
Premature babies have underdeveloped lungs. Their breathing can often stop for 20 seconds or more. When this happens, babies are at risk of respiratory failure, long-term lung conditions and even death. Current treatments include giving drugs or intrusive ventilation via tubes into the lungs, but both these pose additional risks for babies. Listen carefully. A low-level pulse is stimulating the baby through its feet and hands. This company believes this device will eventually replace those options for many thousands of premature babies.
The solution is to try and keep the baby breathing all the time and try and giving a stimulus to the baby where the brain gets a signal that there is always a demand for oxygen.
He's a man with a plan. Premature babies often suffer tragic or life-changing events. Stevie Wonder lost his sight after being born prematurely. This new device will begin trials in Sussex later this year.
Once we have proven that, then we would need to do a bigger study with more babies, not only at Travelman Baby Unit, but maybe at our neighbouring trusts in Worthing and Eastbourne and Hastings, to find out whether other babies, a larger cohort of babies, will also benefit.
This product, developed and trialled here in Sussex, has received US patents and some European funding and is scheduled to launch across the globe in the summer of next year. Mark Norman, BBC South East Today, Crawley.